Hi, I just arrived at a customer location. Today we have a project kickoff for a new implementation of mobile indoor coverage. This time we will be using the technical solution from NEC Spidercloud. Previous installations we did with the Ericsson dot solution, but the NEC Spidercloud is more attractive for pricing and functionality this time, especially as it's a factory and not a normal office area. So a lot of extra precautions have to be taken to avoid extra dust and moisture into the cells to create better coverage. So hopefully everything will go well so that the installation can start soon, and we can show you a little bit more about that later. Bye bye.